You will receive 2 packages of similar accessories. Please note that the roller is installed below and the dustproof adhesive strip is installed above. The installation method is very simple. There is a corresponding structure inside the shower door. You only need to operate it as in the video. The installation steps of the bottom pulleys are the same as those at the top. When installing the handle, we need to fix the screw holes at the top and bottom. When all the accessories of the shower door are installed, let's deal with the problem of the track. We will be equipped with 2 aluminum alloy tracks, one at the top and one at the bottom. If your angle does not match the 90-degree turning angle, you can bend it by yourself. If you use a 90-degree turning angle, you can adjust the length by yourself and cut it. After the installation is completed, we need to prioritize waterproofing at the installation position, apply sealants at the bottom to fix the bottom track, and fix the corner with screws. Next, we need to determine the position of the top slide rail. Install the shower door on the bottom rail, and determine the position of the top slit after maintaining 90 degrees verticality. Please make no mistake, the accessories with pulleys are at the bottom, and the accessories with dustproof strips are at the top. After determining the position of the top, install the top slide. When the shower door is fully entered, test the sliding function. Please don't forget to install the stop modules on both sides. And fix the stop module of the slide rail with screws. Please note that the stop modules at top and bottom are not the same. The height of the stop module at the top is higher. That's the difference between the 2 stop modules. Finally, please install the magnetic suction accessory where the shower door stops. Thank you very much for watching.